if you want to grow your hair fast and also protect your hair from being damaged, this video is for you. The first ingredient I'll be using is carrots. Carrot helps to restore moisture to your hair and also your scalp, which is actually good because it helps your hair grow fast. It also helps to soften your hair and its texture. Carrot also helps to protect your hair from being damaged. I got my carrot, I made it of one carrot and I grated it. After grating it, I decided to put it into a pan. You can use a frying pan, but yeah, I'm using this pan. If you just come across my video for the very first time, on this channel I make videos on how to grow your natural hair. These videos I make is actually what I use on my own hair, so I bring it back to you to grow your natural. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I also made use of clove. Clove is one of the ingredients I love using on my hair, and it has actually helped my hair to grow because I'm talking from experience. I've been using it all the way. You can check out my videos on clove and you'll see how it has really helped my hair. My hair has grown thick as a result of using clove. It has also grown long, and I've used the clove water and I also use clove oil, but in this video I'll be using clove oil together with carrot oil. So I decided to use my olive oil. Olive oil actually helps to protect your hair from breakage, and my hair actually loves olive oil. You can use any carrier oil your hair loves for this. You can use coconut oil, you can use avocado oil, any oil of your choice that you know your hair loves that will help your hair to grow, you can use it. So yeah, I'm showing you how I place this on the fire. I reduce the stove so that the oil can infuse. I don't want it to get burnt. That's why I had to reduce the stove so the oil can infuse, the carrot and the clove can infuse directly into the oil. You can decide to use any other process. You can infuse this in a jar and leave it for some days. But yeah, I made it of the hot press method. Allowed it to heat up for 10 to 5 minutes before taking it off my stove. I got my strainer and also I got my pan. Then I strained the oil out. A quick one, please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below. If you have any question, you can ask me, then I will explain to you what you are not clear about. And also I want to say, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And also to my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate it. So I decided to put this into a bottle for easy application and also for storage. So what I did, I had issue with this bottle, so I decided to pour this on my palm and I rubbed it all over my hair. Note, before I used this oil on my hair, I already had my hair wet. I had my hair wet with water before applying the oil on my hair, and I went ahead to moisturize my hair, as you can see me doing on this video. This three process is very important for you to grow your hair long and also healthy. So while we are doing this, don't forget to massage your hair. And also I want to say thank you for watching to this point and see you on my next video. Love you. Bye for now.